Meron ba kayong kamag-anak na sobrang sarap magluto ng humba? Na kapag nakakatikim kayo ng masarap na humba ng iba, hindi pa rin pumapantay sa lasa ng gawa nila? At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, for me meron, and it is my mom's humba. Sa sobrang hirap namin noon, 2 beses lang actually naluto ni mama to. Pero sa sobrang sarap niya, hindi ko talaga makalimutan kung paano niya ginawa ito. Kaya ituturo ko sa inyo. Gamit tayo ng pata. So, hindi na to kailangan yung sobrang hugasan. Kasi maganda yung pata na nabili ko. Sa South Supermarket ako namimili ng karne. Ang pangit kasi pag yung sa SM, parang nangingitim lagi yung mga karne sa SM. Kaya the best talaga sa South Supermarket. Makita nyo pa malinis na yung balat. So, this is good. A little rinse and then we're good na. Pero pwede naman kayo bumili sa palengke para fresh. Pero fresh kasi to pag ganito yung kulay. Ayan, so just a little rinse, then okay na yan. Ayun, so I'm really excited to make this kasi this is just out of my memory, ha? Pero in fairness, kuhang-kuha ko yung lasa basta ito mismo yung ingredients na gagamitin. Lalagyan natin ng water yung mga banana blossom para mawala yung pait. Lalagyan din natin ng water to hydrate the dried shiitake mushroom. Ng mixing bowl, gagamit tayo ng pilsen to marinate the pork. So the beer is going to soften up the meat and remove the sting from the pork pata. Ito yung reason kung bakit wala talagang kalansa-lansa yung ating pata. 7-Up? Hindi pwedeng Sprite. 7-Up. 7-Up. 7-Up has lemony flavor and sweetness and will also soften up the pata, giving it nakakagigil na lasa. Syrup ng pineapple chunks. This is to make it sticky and sweet. And I guess, para hindi rin mabilis mapanis. Marinate the pata for 1.5 hours. Huwag ibabad overnight kasi masyadong malambot, hindi masarap. Now we're going to peel the garlic pero hindi natin itatapon lahat ng balat niya. Nabasa yata ni mama to sa cookbook noon na pampalasa din yung balat ng bawang. So itabi natin yan. We are also going to get the sweetness from the panutsa na may maraming molasses, mga kamari-chef. Kaya iba yung flavor na ibubuga nito. To make it extra special, mga kamari-chef, we're going to use saba. It has to be ripe, non-negotiable, mga kamari-chef. Slice in angled chunks, non-negotiable, kailangan ganyan yung korte niya. Squeeze off excess water from dried shiitake mushroom. Slice in the middle and remove the stems. Drain the banana blossoms para hindi mapait pag niluto. Fry your ripe plantains until it is golden brown or tostado para mas masarap. Remove excess oil and set it aside. In the same pan, fry your balat ng garlic. When golden brown, set it aside. In the same pan with the same oil, add your pata. Ingat lang mga kamari-chef at baka masabugan kayo ng mantika. No need tustahin, basta this is just tambak-tambak. Half cup vinegar. Half cup soy sauce. Black beans. Tausi. Garlic, sibuyas, oyster sauce, UFC ketchup, laurel, magic potion, pepper, little lang, 1 cup pinagbabawal, half cup. Don't worry, all the ingredients are in the caption, including the measurements. Total cooking time nito is 1.5 hours. Once it starts boiling, lower down your heat. Halfway through, pag nabawasan na yung sauce, add the pineapple chunks and the banana blossoms. I-mix lang natin to ng konti. So habang inaantay natin to lumambot, ikwento ko lang yung naalala ko habang ginagawa ko to. Back in the 90s, may business ang dad ko at may business din yung mom ko. There was a period na tumira talaga kami sa squatters area. And then biglang nag-boom yung business ng daddy ko tsaka mama ko. Saglit lang yon pero naalala ko, laging nakakapamili si mama ng karne. My brother and I would be so excited when mama brings out the cookbook. Ibig sabihin kasi nun, hindi pritong galunggong yung ulam namin. Before I forget, lalagyan pa natin to ng anis towards the end, okay? So, mangilan-ngilan lang talaga yung beses na niluto ni mama to, pero hindi ko talaga siya makalimutan. Ayan na, luto na, lalagyan na natin ng saba and yung fried balat ng bawang. Kaya nung nag-asawa ko, lagi ko niluluto to. And it took a while for me to adjust the measurements until mahuli ko talaga kung paano niluto ni mama yun. And mula nun, hindi ko na talaga binago yung sukat ng mga ingredients. Ipapamana ko pa tong timpla na to sa mga anak ko kasi for me, heirloom recipe to.